Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. For today's video, we're going to do a recipe for a pizza dough. Now this is a basic pizza dough recipe for people who just want to start getting into pizza. Pizza is one of the most eaten foods in the world and also the easiest to make, but the hardest to make at the same time. So if you're one of those people who loves to eat pizza but has never made it at home, who doesn't have any fancy equipment like a wood-fired oven or those commercial ovens that have a really high temperature, this video is for you. Today we're going to do pizza with the most basic ingredients and the most basic equipment that we have. So to start with, take some warm water and mix it with your instant yeast and a little bit of honey. Mix all well together and set your yeast water aside to activate. Take your flour into a bowl. This is a double O type flour which is specially made for pizza. A little bit of sea salt, and with a whisk just mix everything together. Once your yeast has activated in the warm water, you want to add it in the flour. Also, I'm going to add a bit of extra virgin olive oil. This helps with the texture. Now I'm using instant yeast because it's easy for a beginner to use this recipe rather than using fresh yeast. Take a wooden spatula, mix everything together, dust your work surface nicely with some flour. Also don't forget to dust your hands. This will help the dough not to stick to the work surface or your hands. Put the dough onto your work surface and start kneading. Now if you don't have a stand mixer, this will take some time, but it's better to knead your dough with your hand rather than a stand mixer. So use the palms and your fingertips. You want to use a forward motion and then pull it back. This helps the gluten develop. Now if you see cuts or tears like this in the dough, your gluten hasn't developed yet. So keep kneading till you have a nice smooth surface. Once you have a nice smooth surface, roll your dough into a ball and set it aside for at least 2 to 4 hours. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest. Once it's ready, portion your dough into 5 to 6 nice small pizza doughs, and with the help of your thumb, form them into nice round circles. I like to do it this way because it gives me a really nice shape at the end when I want to make the shape of my pizza into a kind of round-like circle. Now you're going to set it aside with a damp cloth again and rest it for at least an hour. Meanwhile it's resting, you're going to use, these are San Marzano tomatoes, so I'm going to just crush it with my hands. Just do the same thing like Italians do. And then an hour later, when my dough is ready, I'm going to form my first pizza. So what I like to do, and every pizza man has his different technique, I like to take my fingers and press from the center outwards to form a nice circle. There is also a different technique which I will show you in the advanced video. Once you have a nice round shape of your pizza, also don't forget to turn on your oven to the highest temperature. And what I like to do, I don't have a pizza stone at home, so I like to flip my oven tray over and heat it up till it's like super hot, and then put the pizza dough on top. This will help with the base of the pizza and you'll not get a doughy consistency. So on with my tomato puree, some nice garlic slices, and I'm going to use buffalo mozzarella because this gives a better texture. The better the ingredients, the better the pizza will taste. So on with my buffalo mozzarella, as much as you want or as little as you want. Then I'm going to shave some nice strips of parmesan, as much as you want or as little as you want again, and into the oven. It takes about 7 to 11 minutes. Pick some fresh basil leaves. I don't like to add my basil earlier because it ruins the whole pizza, according to me. After about 8.5 minutes, this is your first pizza. Now top it up with some basil. You could use different toppings or whatever topping you want. I'm just giving you a base recipe on how to start making pizza at home. If you like this video, I will also make another advanced recipe which will show you how to make the famous Neapolitan pizza, which is one of my favorite pizzas, but this is a more advanced level. So there's your pizza. Pour a nice glass of Italian white wine, or maybe just a cola or some water. Either way, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you make this recipe at home. Till next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.